What if I told you you've been chasing the wrong thing? Not success, not happiness, but the illusion of control. And what if I told you there was a way back, not to who you were, but forward, to who you were meant to become? If your soul is weary, if your mind is scattered, if your path feels lost, then stay with me. Here are 25 Stoic principles to rebuild your life from the inside out. 1. Master the mind, or be ruled by it. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Everything begins here. A calm mind sees clearly. A frantic mind creates monsters. Imagine walking through a storm with no umbrella. That's your life when you let thoughts control you. Breathe, observe, detach. This is where rebirth begins. 2. Label nothing. Just observe. Is a rainy day bad? Only if you say so. Is being alone painful? Only if you call it loneliness. The Stoic trains himself to see clearly, without commentary. A cut is a cut. A delay is a delay. Suffering arises when we name them wounds. Drop the label. Keep the lesson. 3. Pain is not the problem. Resistance is you've been taught to run from discomfort, but the Stoics ran toward it. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The tight chest, the sweaty palms, the sting of failure, they are not enemies, they are invitations. Let go of the need to feel okay. Grow anyway. Expect the fire and build fireproof skin. Every morning, the Stoic prepares. Today I will meet ingratitude, betrayal, arrogance, but I will not be moved. Life is not a spa, it's a battlefield. The enemy, your reactivity. Expect nothing. Prepare for everything. 5. Respond. Don't react. Someone cuts you off in traffic. You erupt. That eruption was your choice. Epictetus taught, it's not what happens that troubles you, it's what you think about it. Take a breath. Observe. Respond with intention, not impulse. That's mastery. 6. Silence is strength, not surrender. You don't need to clap back. You don't need to defend your name. The Stoic remains still, not because he's weak, but because he's untouchable. Let them talk. Let them burn out. You remain unshaken. 7. Everything you love will be taken memento mori. You must remember you will die, and so will everyone you love. This is not despair. It is a call to presence. Hold nothing too tightly. Cherish everything fully. 8. Hardship builds you, not ease. When did you grow most? When life was soft, or when it broke you? Pain is a forge, and you are the sword. Don't pray for lighter burdens. Pray for a stronger back. 9. The obstacle becomes the way, a door closes. A friend betrays you, you lose everything. Good. Now it begins. Marcus said, what stands in the way becomes the way. Don't go around the fire. Walk through it. 10. You are not your emotions. You feel rage, but you are not rage. You feel fear, but you are not fear. You are the observer, the sky, not the storm. Let the emotions pass. You remain. If these words are waking something inside you, stay with me. We still have more truths to uncover. This is just the beginning. 11th, character is built in the quiet hours, not when the world sees you, but when no one is watching. Do you stay honest when you could lie? Do you rise early when no one will know? Do you speak gently when you could explode? Character is forged in the shadows, then revealed in the light. 12th, let go of what you can't control. There is a circle around your life. Inside it, your thoughts, actions, discipline. Outside it, everything else. The Stoic does not try to hold the rain. He builds a roof. Let go of outcomes. Master your input. 13. Attachment is the root of suffering. You can care deeply without clinging. Love fully without owning. Possession corrupts presence. The Stoic learns to hold life with open palms. 14. Success is quiet discipline repeated daily, not talent, not luck, but a quiet man doing the right thing every day. While the world is sleeping, he is sharpening his soul. 15. Your worth is not measured by applause. Claps fade, comments disappear, validation vanishes. The Stoic asks only one thing: did I act with virtue today? That answer is enough. 16. Forgiveness sets you free. You hold the blade of resentment, but you're the one bleeding. Release them, not because they deserve it, but because you do. 17. Every day is a death and a rebirth. The past dies every night. You wake up new. You are not bound to who you were. The Stoic wakes and says, today I begin again. 18. You become what you tolerate. Tolerate laziness. Become it. Tolerate disrespect. Invite it. Draw the line. Guard your standard. Live like a king or crawl like a slave. 19. The right path is rarely the easy one. Comfort is seductive, but comfort kills greatness. The Stoic does not seek what feels good. He seeks what is good, even if it costs him. 20. Your enemy is your greatest teacher. That person who triggers you, they reveal your wounds. Let them, then, thank them silently. They just helped you grow. 21. Peace is found in simplicity. The more you own, the more you're owned. The Stoic cuts what is excessive, not just possessions, but thoughts, obligations, desires. Simplicity is a superpower. 22nd. Honor is a daily practice. Honor isn't abstract. It's not a word for the movies. It's a choice. Keep your word, to act when it's hard, to do the right thing, even if no one sees. 23. Your breath is your anchor. Before words, before reaction, before emotion, there is the breath. Return to it. Inhale strength, exhale chaos. 24. You're always training for something. Every small action trains a part of you. The question is, what are you training for? Comfort, numbness, weakness, or discipline, power, peace. You are in training every moment. Choose wisely. 25. Begin again and again without shame. The Stoic does not expect perfection. He expects commitment. Fall down, begin again. Forget who you were, begin again. Lose your way, begin again. Never stop beginning until your soul stands tall. These 25 principles, they're not rules. They are weapons, armor, guides. Carry them into your days, and life will not be easier, but you will be stronger. If this felt like truth to you, if your mind feels clearer, if your heart feels lighter, then the Stoics have done their work. This is your invitation to begin again, not tomorrow, not someday, but now. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe. This journey is just beginning.